So its first method to come to gigabyte.com, you can see here www.gigabyte.com. You can see here in the right side search button, and then type model number of your motherboard B860M Eagle plus WIFI6E, then hit enter. Then you can see here the product, so click on that. So you can see here two type versions, 2.0 and 2.1. So both installations process same. Okay, select any which is you are using, select that. After that, installation process all same 100%. Okay, you can follow that video and you can install any other versions, 2.0 and 1.0 any. Okay, then click to support. You can see here the operating system Windows 10 and 11. I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. Okay, and if you know about your operating system, you can select all and then install. Okay, audio driver, click to download. You can see here the size. After click download, automatically it start. You can see here. It is completed. Then click to setup. Then just double click to exe file. Wait few seconds. It will show yes no means required administrator rights. Then click to yes. Now this is extract to data for ready to install. Then close automatically means it is done. Chipset. So install this one. Click to download. It is downloading. Then close, just single click. Chipset driver, then double click to open exe. Then click to yes. Then it is done, and then close. LAN driver, and click to download. Then after downloaded, just single click to open the file and double click to exe. Then yes. Now you can see here the LAN driver is installing. Then it is close means done. Then VGA, you can see here, and download. It is start downloading. Then you can see here file, open, and double click to exe file, exe, and double click. Now this is ready to install. Then yes. Then it is installed. Then close it. Bluetooth driver, Realtek Bluetooth driver, click to download. Then open, then double click to setup. Then yes. Install, then close it. Then Wi-Fi driver, Realtek Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. Then open. Then yes. You can see here. Now this is installed. And then close.